Hello, a very good day to you. Welcome to another weekly analysis of Forex Academy. So yeah, what we do basically is we do a rundown of all our instruments that we're going to trade for the week. So let's commence starting from Euro USD, going straight to the weekly time frame. You can see this is a very interesting setup, a bullish engulfing. No, in my last week I said something about this bearish candlestick that the market has not been decisive yet because it didn't close below the initial shadow of the previous week, and it's exactly what happened. Um, the market has decided it's a reasonable strong bullish engulfing, indicating a bullish continuation and at a reasonable area of value. So this week we're going to be seeing a lot of bulls, hopefully to this level. Yeah, so in anything you do, make sure you are buying. Going straight to the weekly daily time frame, it's still bullish, though it's at a resistance on the daily time frame, but I guess till Monday, it tomorrow is gonna determine the next move. But just know this week we're buying. Same thing goes for the GBP USD. Okay, though this is an inside bar. Yeah, it's an inside bar, but it's still indicating a bullish move regarding to the zone and to the weekly time frame, and we're expecting a should I say a reaction at this zone here. Okay, consider as where the market came to initially before it ran down back. So moving on to USD card. USD card, the weekly time frame. This is still a very nice bullish engulfing, though is at a resistant level, a very strong one, as you can see initially. Yeah, so initially the market came to this level, it went back all the way down. Same thing here, came back down, and but it's going to reach this 1.38 1.386 before any maybe reversal or whatsoever. But let's go to the daily time. Okay, yeah, well, I said that was a resistance, so that is a resistance. So you can see the reaction here. This is a bearish candlestick indicating a bearish move, so we have to, excuse me, hold on to see what's going to happen. Let's get a bullish continuation candlestick before we can jump into this trade. So that's for USD CAD. So moving on to USD JPY. Okay, it's still a healthy trend, though it's at a very reasonable resistance, like a very reasonable one. But it's still telling us I'm buying. Checking out the distance from the current market price to the week support, not to talk of the strong support, is buying, like seriously. Moving to the daily, it's the buying. Okay, so but if you're trading this market, the price is really high, so you need a lot of confirmation before you jump in. But the overall market is buy. But if I were you, if I'm to trade this market, I'm gonna wait for a pullback. There should be a little pullback for the price to come down a bit before the continuation continues. Then I'll jump in from there. So um GBP AUD. Okay, though this last week buy was not really strong. It didn't cover the initial the highest point markets were in the last week, so I'm a little skeptical on this trade right now. Checking out the daily, you can see the market is a bit shaggy. The chart is a bit shaggy on this one, so we're just gonna keep our core finger crossed and see how it plays out. Then GBP AUD, yeah, same thing here. Though this is a bullish engulfing. I think the market might rally up to this level before it descend back, because this is one of the reasonable plays that can has the capacity to push it down the weekly. Like I said, exactly, it's gonna try to retest this zone. Yes, because this is a bullish engulfing, a very reasonable one. So the market is going to rumble on the GBP, JPY before whatsoever might happen, because I think it's forming a head and shoulder. This shoulder has been formed, and this the head, and it might want to form the complete other shoulder before whatsoever might happen. So back on to checking out gold USD. This is a very strong momentum candlestick that is at a very reasonable area of value, though it's risky buying at this level. But let's see what the market has on a daily time frame. A very sharp rejection and at a very reasonable resistance, though the market might want to pull it to this level in order to trap some buyers, or and also to hit the stop loss of some sellers too. So you gotta be careful while trading this, but I'm gonna stay out of this market for now and stick to the ones I'm very sure that the move is certain. So that is that for this week. So if you're trading, make sure you're trading carefully, discipline, and your strategy is on edge, and you have an edge. And always trade your stop loss was your profit. Don't rush the trade. Wait for it to come to you. So happy, profitable week ahead. Do have a very pleasant time with it, and thanks for listening.